और फिर से आपको लिए चलेंगे टूरिज्म समिट, जहां पर फवाद चौधरी इजहार ख्याल कर रहे हैं।
What divides societies? This is actually what happened to us. So what we see today, Pakistan is a beautiful country of ours, misunderstood in many parts, and the reason is that irregular conflict of 3 decades that we face. And actually, Pakistan is a miraculous nation, I would say. Pakistan has done what no other nation has done. We have came out of this irregular conflict, and for the first time in the history of Pakistan, now Pakistan has a leader who is an environmentalist, who is a pro-tourism, who is a pro-culture, who is a forward-looking prime minister and the leader. So, the paradigm shift you see in Pakistan.
Can we clone him?
Yeah. The paradigm shift you see in Pakistan's policies. This visa regime is unfortunately, as I was talking about, that we were in an irregular conflict. So this has affected every segment of the society. So even our media discuss negativity more than the positivity. So if you see, if you go, you live in, you go London, you often. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. But because ratings ही नहीं आती अगर आप नेगेटिविटी डिस्कस ना करें, तो मैं पागल हूँ, मैं पॉजिटिविटी डिस्कस करूँगा, बिकॉज आई हैव टू गेट रेटिंग्स भाई. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? So what's the problem? Problem ये है कि we go to London often. You are from Mirpur, I'm from Jhelum. Half of Mirpur and Jhelum is in London. It's like I was having home. So वहाँ पे क्या? वहाँ पे लोग अपने बच्चों को, so forget about foreigners. Even Pakistanis won't send their children back to Pakistan कि जाके वहाँ पे छुट्टियाँ मनाओ, क्योंकि उनको टीवी देख के लगता है कि वो एयरपोर्ट पे उतरेंगे, या तो उनको कोई अगवा कर लेगा या उनको कोई गोली मार देगा. So this is the media perception we have created in Pakistan. और इसके reasons हैं. I'm not blaming media for that. Because जब आप क्राइम को इतना ज़्यादा कवर करेंगे, and this is what actually happened to us from 2002 to 2015, and now actually we're coming out of it. So this tourism policy, and with the dynamic ministers like Atif Khan that we have in KP, and और दूसरा जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब की जो एक हमारा एक विजन है, हमने पाकिस्तान, obviously Pakistan is one of the richest tourist country in terms of religious tourism, in terms of scenic tourism, in terms of mountain tourism. हमारे पास जो कुछ है वो तो दुनिया में बड़े कम मुल्कों के पास है. हमारा असल इशू जो होगा, देखिए 2 चीजें हैं जो आपको बनाती हैं. एक, आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग आइडिया चाहिए होता है, फिर उस आइडिया की स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रेजेंटेशन चाहिए होती है. हमारा आइडिया बहुत जबरदस्त है. इंटीरियर मिनिस्टर साहब इज हियर. इन लोगों ने मिल करके ये जो वीजा पॉलिसी रेजिम चेंज की है बहुत जबरदस्त है. सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज ने इन्होंने मिलकर, अब इस आइडिया की प्रेजेंटेशन का टाइम है. सो मीडिया, वी नीड मीडिया सपोर्ट एक्चुअली इस आइडिया को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए. और मीडिया को हमारा जो असल में जो हमारी, जैसे मैंने किया, हमारी सोसाइटी एक इरेगुलर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में थी, उससे निकली है. टाइम शायद थोड़ा लगेगा, but inshallah Pakistan has a great future ahead. Pakistan has a great leadership right now, and inshallah we will make it.
And we are with you on that.
I just want to add something.
Next 20 minutes हमारे पास है. Quickly can I comment and I.
Okay, just quickly adding, whereas Fawad is right, like we take full responsibility for the negativity, but the only problem again is, please understand that the headlines today, or the major headlines, or the talk shows which you're seeing today, this government is feeding off of that. This is suiting them politically. So आप ये NAP को fix करें, irregularities खत्म करें. I'm not going to put the minister next to me in a compromising position, but I will tell you, मेरे ज़राए कह रहे हैं, तस्दीक शुदा ज़राए कह रहे हैं कि इनकी मिनिस्ट्री में मसले हैं, इनके सेक्रेटरीज 2-2 दफ़ा चेंज हुए हैं, क्योंकि वो दस्तखत नहीं करते. वो कहते हैं पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप के ऊपर हमने जो होटल्स वगैरह लाने, कल को हमें बुला लिया जाएगा सवाल जवाब के लिए.
NAP has nothing to do with tourism, frankly. This is primarily when you cover crime, like पता नहीं Pakistan is for Karachi is as safe as London, and Lahore is as bad as New York maybe, or Washington. Actually much better than New York.
नहीं, पाकिस्तान का कोई भी शहर में उतना क्राइम नहीं है. I mean, this is very interesting. None of the stated statistics all over the world, the Pakistani cities are far more safer than most of the North American cities. Many European cities, but perception is of course there. Karachi was the only city which had a very high crime against the individual, but still it was less than many Latin American countries. But I have to quickly move through. मैं आपकी तरफ भी आता हूँ कि हमें बताएं गिलगित बल्तिस्तान के. You want to make a comment? Yes. Yes, is it not open? You can always use ministers. The only thing that works is the artist. Right.
I just want to say, as traveling completely by myself across Pakistan from Lahore to Gwadar, I felt completely safe
Mashallah.
at all times. I had no security, I had nobody around me. I feel far safer here than I do traveling in the US. I would just say that.
Okay. Thank you, Rosie. Ambassador Saab, Ambassador Humayun Qazi, he was sent on a stretcher back from Kabul when he was the ambassador there. He was beaten there. I mean, this is a part of the history. But he has been always active, always positive about Pakistan-Afghanistan relationship and track to diplomacy. Now, the minister mentions, you heard Fawad mentioning religious tourism. We mentioned adventure tourism. We mentioned different tourism. There's a health tourism as well. India has a huge component of health tourism in which people from, especially from Afghanistan, go to India.
पाकिस्तान टूरिज्म समिट इस्लामाबाद में जारी है. हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, इस वक्त डिस्कशन चल रही है. वज़ीर इत्तलात फवाद चौधरी भी मौजूद हैं. इसके अलावा शहरियार आफरीदी को भी देखा जा सकता है.